The Keysight 3000T X Series has an 8.5-inch display, while the 3 Series MDO has an 11.6-inch display for over 70% more viewing area. The 3 Series MDO has an even greater edge when it comes to waveform viewing area. The results bar on the right side can be moved aside for even more waveform viewing. The Keysight 3000T X Series also lets you remove the information from the right side of the display, but the waveforms don't get any bigger. The Keysight 3000T X Series has VGA resolution. The 3 Series MDO has 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution. The big, high-resolution display on the 3 Series MDO makes it easier to look at more signals in greater detail.